Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation Practice channel. Today, we're going to talk about our weekend. Hello, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Melissa. I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing really well. I had such a fun weekend. How was yours?
Mine was relaxing. I didn't do much, but I enjoyed every moment.
That's nice. Sometimes relaxing weekends are the best. So, what did you do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I woke up late, around 9 a.m., and then I made myself a big breakfast with eggs, toast, and coffee.
That sounds delicious. I woke up early because I went jogging in the park. It was sunny and cool, perfect weather.
Oh, that's great. Do you usually jog on weekends?
Yes, I try to. It helps me stay active. After jogging, I met my friends for brunch.
Brunch? That's between breakfast and lunch, right?
Exactly. We had pancakes, fruit juice, and coffee. We talked and laughed for hours.
That sounds like fun. After breakfast, I cleaned my apartment, I washed my clothes, and organized my desk.
Wow, very productive. I should have cleaned too, but instead, I went shopping.
Shopping? What did you buy?
Just some clothes and a pair of shoes. The mall was crowded but lively.
I like that weekend energy. Did you get any good deals?
Yes, I got a discount on the shoes.
Lucky you! I stayed home most of Saturday afternoon. I watched a movie on Netflix.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy called The Weekend Trip. It was hilarious.
I think I've seen that one. It's about two friends who go camping, right?
Yes, exactly. It reminded me of our last trip to the countryside.
Ah, that was such a good time. We had barbecue and sang songs by the fire.
Yeah, that was unforgettable. What did you do Saturday evening?
I met my cousin for dinner. We went to a new restaurant downtown. The food was amazing.
What kind of food?
It was Italian. I had spaghetti carbonara and she had lasagna.
Oh, I love Italian food, especially pasta and pizza.
Me too. After dinner, we walked by the river and talked. The view was beautiful.
That sounds romantic.
Haha, maybe a little. What about you? What did you have for dinner?
I cooked at home. I made fried rice with vegetables and eggs.
Nice. You're a good cook.
Thank you. I enjoy cooking on weekends. It helps me relax.
I understand. On Sunday morning, I woke up a bit late.
Same here. I had a long sleep because Saturday night I stayed up watching YouTube videos.
What kind of videos?
Mostly travel vlogs and English lessons.
Oh, that's great. Watching English videos is a good way to improve listening.
Exactly. And it's fun at the same time.
On Sunday morning, I went to the market with my mom. We bought vegetables, fruit, and some snacks.
That's nice. Was it crowded?
Very crowded, but I enjoy seeing all the fresh food and people smiling.
I can imagine the smell of food and coffee in the air.
Yes. After that, we cooked lunch together.
What did you make?
Fried fish, soup, and rice. Simple but tasty.
Sounds perfect. I ordered delivery, grilled chicken with salad.
That's a good combination. Did you spend time with your family?
Yes, in the afternoon I video called my parents. We talked for almost an hour.
That's sweet. Family time is always special.
Definitely. Did you study or do anything productive on Sunday?
Yes, I studied English for about 2 hours.
Good job. What did you study?
Grammar and pronunciation. I practice reading out loud and repeating sentences.
Excellent. I listened to English podcasts while cleaning.
Great idea. That's a smart way to practice while doing chores.
Yeah, it makes cleaning less boring.
True. In the evening, I watched a drama series,
Which one?
A Summer to Remember. It's about friendship and dreams.
I've heard of it. Good story, right?
Very good. It made me cry a little.
Oh, emotional weekends.
Yes. After that, I prepared my clothes for Monday and wrote my weekly plan.
Organized as always, Melissa.
Thank you. I like to start the week prepared.
I just relaxed, made tea, and read a book before bed.
What book are you reading?
The Power of Habit. It's about building good habits.
I love that book. It motivates me to stay consistent.
Same here. So, overall, we both had a good weekend.
Yes, full of balance, fun, rest, and learning.
I agree. It's important to rest and recharge.
Tom, what's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
Probably cooking and watching movies. And you?
Spending time with family and exploring new cafes.
Cafes are great places to relax.
Yes, I love sitting by the window and drinking coffee.
Do you usually go alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends. We talk about work, dreams, and travel.
Speaking of travel, do you have plans for next weekend?
Maybe. I want to go to the beach. The weather should be perfect.
That sounds awesome. I might go hiking in the mountains.
Great idea. Nature always makes weekends better.
Absolutely. We should plan a weekend trip together someday.
I'd love that.
Let's do it. Next month, maybe.
Yes, we'll plan it.
So, what did you learn this weekend?
I learned to relax and not rush things. You?
I learned that rest is just as important as work.
True wisdom.
Thank you.
Anyway, it's been great talking about our weekend.
Yes, I enjoyed sharing. It's good English practice too.
Definitely. Talking about daily life helps build confidence.
And it makes learning English fun.
Exactly. So, to everyone watching, try to talk about your weekend in English too.
Yes, practice speaking and share your stories.
Thank you for listening to our weekend conversation.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and have a great week ahead.